Alright guys, this is a quick video on how to use Wodify. So first thing you're going to need to do is download the Wodify app. So go to the either App Store if you're on an iPhone, or if you're on a Droid, go to the Google Play Store, whatever they call it, and download the Wodify app. Just search Wodify, icon looks like that, alright? So I have it on the phone obviously, so we're not going to go through the steps of downloading it, but just make sure you download it first. Next, we're going to go in the app, okay? If you haven't signed in before, it's going to ask you to sign in first. So check your email for a welcome email that has a link to reset your password. Once you do sign in, the first thing you'll always see is the workout of the day for the CrossFit program. So you see it's set on CrossFit. If you're doing the challenge class or something else, just change that. So the challenge, done. Doesn't show the workout's been uploaded yet, so it will be put in. We'll go back to CrossFit. It shows the workout of the day. You can scroll through and you can see warm up and the strength work and everything there. You can also switch the date up here and see what tomorrow's workout is if it's been inputted by the coach. So now in order to sign in for classes, we're going to use this little navigation button up here at the top, little 3 lines. We're going to tap that. It's going to open up and you can see the class schedule here. Okay, so this shows today's classes that remain. It doesn't show this morning's classes because it's already passed. What I recommend people do, if you're not just interested in the CrossFit program but you want to see all classes, is switch this to all programs. And then click done. And then it'll show you all the classes. So there's CrossFit, 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 and then it'll show the challenge later as well, if that's on schedule for the day. So here's all the programs. And then when you're ready to sign in or reserve, you just click the class. You see the reserve button there. Reserve. And then I tell people just go ahead and click the sign in button as well. That way it automatically adds you to the class. The coach doesn't have to do that. So back to CrossFit here. Okay. Now another thing that we can show you real quick here is the whiteboard. This shows you everybody's results for the day. Select that. Looks like it's loading. So if you want to see everybody's results for today, you can there's male and female. Let's check. Let's try yesterday's. So you can see everybody's performances here. You can see where you kind of stand on the whiteboard. Sort by male. There's all the male scores. All right, cool. And then we'll go back up here to the top, navigation menu, if it wants to work. Whiteboard. There's performance history here as well. Another thing that we use a lot is entering your score on the phone. Is say you're at a busy class and you don't want to wait in line to enter your score on the TVs, you can click add results here. And this will actually take you to today's workout. Looks like for some reason it's not showing here, but normally it would show the workout and then it would show you any results or any fields you need to enter for the workout. So here's actually, let's do yesterday's 6 a.m. CrossFit class. If I sign in here, it would show the workout and it would have an empty field for where we could enter the score. Oh, there we go. So here's the workout card. Shows the workout, and then minutes and seconds, and then save. And this will automatically add my score to the whiteboard. I don't need to wait in line at class. It'll save some time. So if you have your phone handy and you want to do it this way, this is a really nice feature that will save you time and keep you from having to wait in line at the gym. All right, well that's it.